Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can draw on picture on Canva. So once you have your picture, you can click on draw on the left side over here from this toolbar. And here you have a bunch of different options. For instance, we have pen, which is quite thin. Then we have marker over here, which is a little bit bigger. And then we also have highlighter, which is a little bit wider, but also a bit transparent. Then we have eraser, which removes everything that it touches. Of course, you can press and hold the left mouse button and then go through the picture in order to quickly remove everything if needed. And if you want to, you can also customize these tools. So for instance, I have pen over here which looks like this. However, I can click over here to change the color. We have a bunch of different default colors over here, but of course, if I want to create my new one, then I can click on add a new color, and here I have the color picker, which allows me to pick any color that I want, like so. And then over here we also have settings where I can change the weight and transparency of the selected tool. So for instance, right now I have pen, but I can increase its weight, let's say to 66, and then it is quite big, like so. And of course, if I want to, I can make it more transparent, like so. And furthermore, if you want to, of course, then you can change these settings for every tool that you have over here, and you can adjust the settings for them. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.